Hi guys, for today's video class, I am using amigurumi wire and also a 5mm 2-point needle. We are going to start by making the magic ring. I make 3 chains. Now here inside the magic ring we're going to work 11 double crochet with the initial currents. We will take one total of 12 double crochet. Now that I've finished all the double crochet, I close the ring. And I'm going to make a slip stitch here in the 3rd stream. Next, I will do a color change. I will cut this thread. I'll get another wire color. I'm going to tie the needle like this. And I will introduce here 1 point. 2 points after is that point where we made the closure. Make a double crochet, holding the initial wire left over. Come back here at the same point, and let's do 2 more double crochet, totaling 3 double crochet at the same point as the base. Next, I make 3 chains. At the next point, we will work 3 double crochet. Will be 3 points at the same point as the base. I keep looping the thread. I jump 1 point from the base, and at the next point, I work 3 double crochets. I make 3 chains, and at the next point, work 3 double crochet. Tie the thread, skips a point from the base. At the next point, we will work on 3 double crochet. I make 3 chains. At the next point, let's work 3 double crochet. Now let's do the last repetition. I skip a point. In the next point, I work 3 double crochet. I make 3 chains. In the next point, that point we made the closure, I will work 3 double crochet. To make the closure, I will insert the needle into the second high point, and here I will make a bridge. Before we proceed, let's finish off those initial leftovers of yarn. Let's keep doing. A gully. Now I will cut the wire. To keep working. This piece. Now I will switch to the thread in pink color. I will tie the needle twice. I will introduce here inside the shell. In the space of 3 chains, and let's make 1 double crochet, as we did in number 2 career. After making that first double crochet, let's go back to the same space. And let's work on 2 more points, getting 1 total of 3 double crochet. After making the 3 double crochet, I make a chain. I come to this next space. Who was among the group? 3 high points from the previous career. And here I work 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain. In this space of the 3 chains, we will work 3 double crochet. Let's make 3 chains and 3 more double crochet here in the same space. To continue, let's make 1 chain, and let's move on to this next space. Between groups of 3 high points, let's keep making 1 chain. And here inside this space of the 3 streams, we will work 3 double crochet. For the next round, I will make 3 chains to give the height of the double crochet. Another separation current. I turn the piece, and here in this first space of the current, we will work 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain, and in the next space, I also work 3 double crochet. Make 1 chain, and here inside the shell, we are going to make 1 other shell. So I start by making 3 double crochet. Then I make 3 chains and 3 more double crochet here in the same space. Make 1 chain. In the next workspace, 3 double crochet. I make 1 chain. And in the next space, I make 3 double crochet. To finish this career, make 1 chain and 1 high point on top of the last double crochet from previous row. For the next career, let's start by making 4 streams. I turn the piece in sequence. I skip the first space. I come on the next one and work here, 3 double crochet. I make 1 chain in the next space. Work 3 double crochet. After making the 3 double crochet, I make 2 chains. Here inside the shell, I will make 1 single crochet. I make 2 chains. In the next space of a chain, work 3 double crochet. And it's the same I'm going to do in the next space. Separated by a chain, to finish this career, I make 1 chain and work 1 single crochet. Here in this third stream. From previous row, so I invented 2 chains and 1 single crochet in the third current. Made these rows, I'm going to make a chain. I will cut my wire. And let's change color. I will use the yellow color. I get the yellow color and loop 3 times. I introduce here in this space of 2 currents, and here I make a double treble crochet, lashing and taking out 2 and 2 handles 3 times. Now I make 2 chains. I return to the same space and work. 3 double crochet. After making the 3 double crochet, in the next space, I make 3 double crochet. After 2 chains, loop 2 times and work 1. As before. For the next round, I will start making 4 chains. Manat tie and work 3 double crochet here in this space of 2 currents. I make 1 chain. I come here in space between groups of 3 double crochet from previous row. And I work 3 double crochet here. I make 1 chain, and in the next space, I will work 3 double crochet. To finalize, I do bar chains and 1 slip stitch here inside the same space. Now I make 1 chain, cut my wire. Now with the same wire color, I do in the slide. I insert into this middle group 3 double crochet. I look for thread and make a single crochet. I will make 1 single crochet for each point and space of the base until you reach the corner. Here inside the space of the current, I make 4 to 5 single crochet. In the next space of the chain on the side, I also do between 4 or 5 single crochet. Now I'll keep walking. The piece making single crochet. 1 point for each base point and also for each current. Here inside this space of the 3 currents, I will work 3 single crochet. And then we'll repeat everything we've done here. On the other side, this is the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful fish-shaped cup holder. You can make with larger width wire. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you liked, don't forget to leave your like. Until the next